What's up guys, this is Techie Jaat and today I'm going to do unboxing of Xiaomi new Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, let's start the unboxing. I purchased this phone from Flipkart, as you can see. This is the Note 5 Pro original box. As you can see, there are picture on the front and Note 5 Pro written on the left and right. Nothing on the top and bottom. And on the back side you can see the specs and it's made in India. It's a 4GB RAM version and internal space is 64GB. This is the Note 5 Pro and the color is black, as you can see. Okay. This is the quick manual. The phone is looking pretty good and it looks more like iPhone 10, especially the back camera setup. The feel of this phone is typical MI. Let's put this phone aside and see what other things you get in the box. This is the cover you get. It's a silicone cover. And the color is smoke grey. I don't know why I might still stick with micro USB in Redmi phones. And it's strange that last year launched Mi A1 has USB-C in it. And this new Note 5 Pro has micro USB. It's a normal charger, not fast one. And as you can see, there is no earplugs. And here is the phone. I just quickly set up it. Okay, this is the Note 5 Pro. The display is looking really good and you can see there is on-screen navigation buttons. Coming to the cover, it's a smoke grey color. It looks pretty good and perfectly fit on your phone. And if you ignore the fingerprint scanner on the back, it looks exactly like iPhone 10. That's it guys, this was my unboxing video of Redmi Note 5 Pro. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech related video. This is Techie Jaat signing out, bye bye.